So guys, this is how we're journey to Mambila Plateu. This is one of the coolest province in Nigeria. They don't have summertime, they don't have heat season. It's basically always cold, 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 cold. So this is how the journey goes. We actually use a road. It's a road trip. This is how the journey was going. The roads were so bumpy, but it's worth it. Honestly, I enjoyed every minute of this journey. I was really so happy. So I felt so happy. I was so happy within me. I was so glad that after 10 years I'm visiting my home. This is actually my home. This is where I come from. It's a village in northeast Nigeria, right? This is the more precisely. Mambila Plateu is one of the simplest and the sweetest thing our province visit. I think this should be everybody. If you are in Nigeria, you try to visit Mambila. Mambila is so good. It's so good. The weather is given. It's catching. I was actually in a hoodie in this journey. I was wearing a sweater. I was so cold. It is very cold, guys. It's very cold. So this is the journey. This is the road. It's a dry season. Everywhere is dry. Mostly when you're coming to the journey, like anytime you're passing through the route, early morning you see the monkeys coming out to throw bananas, then the baboons. You see water coming from the rock. It's so beautiful. So this is how the journey is. People are passing by. The road is so clear. This particular place we are right now, it's called the 360 road. After the journey, it's a hill. Everything is a hill here. So you're climbing the mountains. If you're not a perfect driver, you can't even reach it. It's very hard to follow this particular hill, 360 hill. You can't move this thing. You can't. If you're not a professional, if you're not a good driver, you can't move this thing. You can't drive to this path. Your car will spoil, or the engine will knock. Yeah. So this is how the journey ends. Oh my god, guys, I'm so happy that I'm back home for so many years. After so many years, so many visit home again. So this is how it's going. Yeah, the road is so clear. You have to move gently. The car has to move gently. So this is how it's going. The driver is actually very careful. I love the way the driver. Oh my god, the journey was so easy, but though we're supposed to get here at noon, the driver was perfect. This is what is called slow and steady. It was so good. Hey, guys, this is if you are in Nigeria, visit the Mambila Plateu route. Actually, you're missing because this is the best place to be. So I'm going to just show you the road trip. Yeah, it's for now. It's the road trip. So when I get to the city, when I get to the town, it's actually a village. As I've said, it's a province. So I will go around, post for you guys to see. So for now, this is how the road is. Actually, the government are not even, they don't even know. They're not trying their best in this part. When I came here 10 years ago, the road was very, very good. But the erosion, the rain, it's all everywhere. That's Africa road. So this is Mambila Plateu. So Plateu from the Mambila Plateu. I am a plateau. Right, you can see water's coming from the rock. This is actually this is erosion. Have broken some part of the road. People are passing. People are going home for the Christmas, for the holiday, for the Yuletide season. So I see people at home this time. These are this is it. Guys, just enjoy the view. Enjoy the view. As you can see, this is also another part. It is actually a 40-minute climb. I would say it's like everywhere is a mountain here. It's a mountain. We are on the mountain, the cliff of the mountain. So we are just going slow and steady. Slow and steady. Yeah, as you can see, a car is coming from our back. It's also, as you can see, the movement is very slow. You have to be very careful here because this is a cliff. You can fall off. So you have to be a professional driver before you move this journey. So it is a slow and steady thing. Actually, our driver was very, very good. I mean, I love how he took everything slow and steady. Yeah, there's a lot of sharp corners, but he was actually very careful. You can just imagine how everything. Most times when you come here during the rainy season, everything is just so green. The mountains, the cliff, the roads, the lonely trees. I don't know the English names for that, but you can see everywhere the valleys, the mountains will be so green, so natural. It's so catchy, I swear. Like and it's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold, guys. It's a 40-minute drive, but this is the short clip I cut. So you guys just enjoy the view. Enjoy the view. It's so beautiful. Enjoy the view. This is Mambila Plateu. This is how we're going. The road up. So finally we got there, and then we got a resort. The resort, it's actually in the main city, as I said, in the province. That's GGI, that's Gembu Guest Inn. So this is how the room will look. So we are going inside to check the resort. It's a guest inn. Yeah, so this is how it is look like. It's very beautiful. I was not expecting something like this, something unique and nice like this in this it's a local province. I was actually so happy seeing this. So this is one of the expensive resorts, I would say, in the province, in the city. It's in the province. It's not a city, but it's actually beautiful. So this is very nice. We're checking the rooms. We've checked all the rooms, and then it wasn't what I want. It wasn't catchy. Well, they're good. Yeah, they're cool. Yeah. But we have to step out. It wasn't what we want. It wasn't what we want, but it was cool. It was cool. So this is other room. Yeah, we were checking all the rooms. Here, when you get here, you have to check the rooms before you pay. Then you lodge in. Sorry, before you lodge in. So we're checking the rooms. It was okay, but it's not what I want. I mean, it's actually quite. It's not in a main road, and then this is a new place. So I was like, no, I don't want to stay where there isn't.
This is a lounge.
I mean, no. I want something that if I could just come out from the roadside, I want to get something, then it would be very easy for me. Yeah. So this is how the route we were taking. This is how the road looks like. This is how it is, like snake. Yeah. This is how it looks, like a reptile snake. So finally we came to this place. This is Fast Track Hotel Gembu. This is one of the expensive hotels in Gembu here. Actually, this is what we want. We didn't know that it was closer, and it had a roadside, very accessible. So this is how it looks like. So we came in, we paid, and this is the view from Fast Track Hotel Gembu. So if you come to Gembu City or Gembu Town, please make sure you visit Fast Track or the GGI, anyone you're okay with, you're comfortable with. But I prefer this because it has a balcony. You can view the city from the village or the province from there. So this is how the province look like. So beautiful. It's natural. Forget the zinc, the colors. It's natural. So this is my room. Finally, I'm here. Honestly, I can't wait to rest, eat, and then go for the tour. I'm going to take you guys along every bit of it. So just stay and watch and also share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This is actually one of the expensive hotels in Gembu. Fast Track.